ahead.
Hi, I'm Jennifer. I'm a mom of 5 kids. I decided to do a journey after having 5 kids, with the last 2 being C-sections. It was really hard for me to lose weight and feel good about myself, so I decided to go get lipo. I did my procedure out of state, and when I was out of state, I was with a group of girls at a recovery house who we all talked about our lymphatic massages we were supposed to do once we returned home. I did do lymphatic drainage one time. I felt like it didn't do much for me. I was still sore and tender after doing lipo. I looked up Endermologie because of another gal who said she was doing Endermologie and the health benefits and recovery time it had to help with liposuction. So I looked up Endermologie and came across Valeriya Life, and have been coming here to do my Endermologie treatments. After each treatment, I feel a lot better. I could tell that I'm getting results with my liposuction and recovery time, and I would recommend it for anybody who is deciding to go on a journey, whether it's liposuction or working on your figure. I'm now in on my 2nd or 3rd one. I think it's my 3rd one.
Third
Is it my
one.
3rd?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm on my 3rd treatment, and it seems like it's getting better each and every one. I'm planning on doing 10 and going from there. So, yeah.
This is the LPG Endermologie machine. It is a computer loaded with research-based protocols for anything from cellulite reduction, lymph drainage, to skin toning. The head that we use has 2 rollers on the bottom. The power that it can grab the soft tissue for massaging is more powerful than the human hand could produce. Our clients wear a special suit to protect the skin and allow for a deeper grasp. I'm going to turn the machine on and show you a little bit of what we do. I can adjust the intensity. As you'll see, it grabs the tissue and it creates some redness. You can see the circulation happening. Following each treatment, we recommend 15 jumping jacks to stimulate lymphatic flow. 10 to 12 treatments will optimize your results. Increase your fluid intake, continue your exercise program, and you'll love the results. Thank you.